the room. So when you walk in, there's a powder room, which just has a sink and a toilet. So it's good for guests or if you're having people over at your hotel. They do give you some mouthwash, which is great, and also some body lotion, which actually I want to try that out because my hands are dry. And then there's also bar soap, which I already used to wash my hands. And it was pretty good. It was pretty good. There's really nice lighting in the bathroom. So you have two sconces. Continuing in, you have a little hangout living room area. It has a coffee area over here. And some teas and espressos. This is how you're gonna heat up your water. So I definitely will have some tea if that's the case. And then this is the Nespresso. Okay, so for tea offerings, we have the Sloan Fine Tea Merchants Classic Black, Earl Grey, Calming Chamomile, and Green Tea. So all of them have caffeine except for the Calming Chamomile. So I might go for maybe green tea. I don't know. Usually caffeine is not good for me, but I'm tempted. 100 degrees seems pretty good. So we're gonna see how that goes. They also do have down here, they have little teacups, which I think are really cute. And then what I'll probably end up using is these matte black coffee mugs. It also has a trash and recycling. And then in here, the mini fridge, which is really nice. I'm actually gonna put 2 of these waters in here. It's always nice to have. And then, like I said, pull-out couch, some pretty nice artwork here. I really like the wallpaper detailing. Little table here, chair with nice lamp. This is kind of an interesting fixture. So that's what that looks like. Pretty nice, like welcoming. Out here we have view of, I'm not sure if that's more apartments or another hotel or what the case is. Then over here, you've got a little table and a TV. And we got our ice and some glasses. Looks like the water is heating up pretty quickly. Okay, let's continue down the hallway. So down the hall, we have this little desk area set up here, which is in front of the windows as well. So you have the phone, notepad. I'm gonna write some stuff down. Hotel services QR code. I love these little thingies. They lie flat, and then when you need them, bam, 2 USBs. I like this chair detailing. It's really beautiful with the gold accent. And then this is actually a makeup mirror with some LED lighting. And then there is some storage under that as well as some charging points. So this is a really nice desk, and I'm actually very jealous. I really like this desk. So I'm probably gonna do some work here in the day and then get ready for the night. So great place to get ready. I wish it kind of went up higher because for somebody that's like me, as I sit here, I can't actually see myself. So I have to kind of lean over, but that's all right. Continuing down is the bed, which is a good size. You do have table lamps on each side, chargers in the back. Then you do have a lie flat couch. I love the blue and gold. This is more bronze colored. And once again, it does have that dimmable, really nice accent lighting. Blue and gold combination, I think it's stunning. The blue and the bronze is a little less in your face, very upscale and classy. Very fitting for this. You do have your TV here. And let's see, just some storage, it looks like, yeah. You do have a closet over here, which has a full-length mirror, which is great. It does have a nice robe. You can also purchase them. This is the softest robe that I've literally ever felt. Wow, I'm definitely gonna be using that. It also does, in this closet, does have like an ironing board, the safe, some hangers. And then the main bathroom. Turn on all the lights. This is the main bathroom. You do have 2 sinks in here, Beautiful mirrors. Kind of weird, a mirror over a mirror. But anyways, and then you do also have a close-up mirror. Whoa, holy crap. I don't know if you guys can see that on this camera. Can you? We're so zoomed in, it's very scary to do this to yourself because I can see every little imperfection. And my eyebrows look absolutely atrocious. Okay, let's put that away. You do have some Q-tips in here, which is nice. I really like this shelving space here. Tissues, soap. The shower cap is here. More body lotion. What is this? A shaving kit. Oh, I might try that out. A wooden comb. Interesting. My hair's looking crazy. We do also have a spa-like bathtub. It's not a jet tub. It just is your typical bathtub. It just has soap. It doesn't have any like bubbling soap, but maybe if I end up deciding that I will take a bath, maybe I'll stop into the drugstore and check that out. I know for sure I'm gonna go into the drugstore here and look at all their skincare and sunscreen options because it's different than what we get in the United States. So I definitely am gonna check that out. That will be a separate video, not included in this vlog because I'm sure that will be long enough as it is and this will be long enough as it is. Then you do have the shower. So let me just show you that. So it does have a shower head there and then the main shower head. So excited to try that. And they do give you shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. And this is the brand, it's Esprit Pure Purple Water London. So that's what they use, made in Malaysia. So it's Asian. You know I like my Asian skincare, so we'll see how that goes. And then behind this, frosted, actually it's completely, you can't see anything. Door is the toilet. Hello. And it has all of these features. You can set the toilet seat temperature. That's crazy. You can get a massage. What the hell? That's weird. Oh, there's another robe right here. Perfect. That's the room.